This is how you find your Think Central and your GoMath resources. You go on the NCCS intranet and click on Class Link. After, you sign in with Google. And then you look for the icon. So as you can see, there are many icons here. You have your Google Classroom icon and other ones, but here's Think Central, and you click on it. And you're now in your dashboard. The easiest way to find your resources is through here. So say, for example, it always goes to kindergarten first. Say you're a third grade teacher, you click on third, and here's your teacher edition right here. And then you can click on your teacher edition. And I can click on chapter 1 and my lessons, and here are all my lessons that I need. So I can click on chapter 1, lesson 1, and I can navigate through here. All right. So that's how you can find that information. All right. Here are your GoMath chapter resource books for grade 3. So here you have vocabulary games. You can also find your reteach and enrich sheets right here. And see here, you can print them, you can download them. These are fantastic resources, the reteach sheets, as it always gives a box that breaks it down in simple steps for the students. Here you can also find tests, the chapter 1 tests. Now these particular tests you don't really use, as our district has created tests for your grade level. Now the tests will use some of the information from here, but you're to use the district level grade tests. The reason I'm showing you this is that it gives some information here as to what to possibly expect so you can help prepare your students. But it's important that you do not use these tests with your students, as that information will be on your tests, the actual district test. Okay, so here are the teacher resource books. So here you're going to find the Blackline Masters, which are absolutely fantastic, that you can use. So you have, looks like I found, you have number lines here. You have base 10 blocks. And if I scroll down, you have place value. You have your number charts, fractions, nets, clocks, everything you can imagine. You have a lot of Blackline Masters that you can use with your students. All right, and that's in the GoMath Teacher Resource Blackline Masters. All right. Now, I wanted to show you another area that you can use. If you click on the blue word resources, you can click on that. Put in the subject of math. Put in your grade level. It's grade 3. All right. And program GoMath, not the GoMath 2012, but the plain GoMath, and you click on that. All right. So what's really important is that you have your whiteboard lessons with your smartboard. So if you click on this, you'll also be able to find lessons that you can use with your students, and you click on the Smart Notebook. So for example, I want chapter 1, and let's see, I wanted lesson 1.7 using place value to add. Then you click download. Once you hit download, obviously it's going to download to your PC, and then you can use the interactive whiteboard lesson with your classroom, and that's been very helpful for teachers. You also, here's the GoMath Interactive Whiteboard lesson again. Here you also find the resources that you found on your dashboard. So here you have your teacher edition. Here you have your teacher resources. Again, so it brings you to the same thing as that you saw before. So that's how you find all of your resources for Think Central. And if you want to go back to your dashboard, you click Think Central up here. and you can go back to your dashboard. Now, clearly there's many other things that we'll talk about with you, but that will be at a later date. But right now, we just want you to find your basics so you can start looking to find the information for Chapter 1 to be ready.